Hey you guys, I'm here today in a little different area. Today I'm going to be doing a quick taste test of two little products. We have Dr. Pepper, like, Twizzlers or licorice, which I'm kind of nervous about, and also a chocolate moon pie. Like, my mom says that I've tried this before and that I hated it, but I don't know. And I think I've tried these once before, but I don't remember. So let's get straight into tasting these. Yeah, there's no tab. Oops. No! Stay in the package. Okay. So, they feel weird. It says made with real Dr. Pepper, which kind of scares me. I definitely taste Dr. Pepper in these. Yeah, they're okay. I would rate those 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 stars. And I'll do 3 out of 5 to be generous. And now the moon pie. My hands are all sticky. Dang. A lot of calories in this. Anyway. Ready? I don't know. It's double-decker. And no, I didn't take that big of a bite. I took one bite, then took a little bit off the other side. But it's okay. Would I get it again? Maybe. I actually want to try the other one. They have another flavor. This is what the inside of the Twizzler thing looks like. It's not hollow. But yeah. That is all I have for the taste test. But I do want to do one quick announcement. I'm going to try to start doing daily vlogs, and I know I have said that before, but as you guys saw if you watched my puppy video, I was able to edit videos, so I'm hoping I can do that. So I'll try it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.